Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Rakuten Booth Theater. Next up, we're going to be treated to a session from the President of the Internet Services Division at Rakuten Symphony by Ryan Son. Please put your hands together for Ryan Son, ladies and gents.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. It's really nice to be here. Due to job, and I mean, today we're moving towards the end of the event. And it looks like people are happier. They're relaxed and they're ready to go home. Due to job, I take stage. I do a speech and sessions like this from time to time. And as soon as I take the stage, I get to see people's faces, right? And most of the time, they look angry. They're like, "Oh, again, okay, quick, make it quick. This kind of face, or show me what you got kind of face." But today is different. They look, he's laughing and everyone looks relaxed. So, hello, my name is Ryan Son, and I am heading up the Internet Services Business Unit in Rakuten Symphony. Today, you're going to hear about Rakuten's Internet Services Suite, particularly 3 Internet services, namely Rakuten Cpaas, Rakuten Drive and SendAnywhere. Starting from Rakuten Cpaas, we call it Communication Gateway to Japan. So what is Rakuten Cpaas? First of all, what is Cpaas? Cpaas stands for Communication Platform as a Service. So basically what it is let's say, so it helps enterprises send messages, SMS messages to their own users' mobile devices. For example, you landed in Barcelona, you wanted to check your Gmail, but somehow you're logged out of your Google account, right? And then what do? You have to get a one-time passcode or password reset link from Google, right? In this setting, Google needs to send the SMS via a platform. And that's what the Cpaas is all about. So in Rakuten Cpaas, we provide A2P SMS, hybrid messaging, P2A SMS, Confirm API, and OTT message. I'm going to talk about all these things in the next slide. So starting from hybrid messaging, as the name literally implies, so you as an enterprise are sending out a mixture of SMS and OTT messages together. So for example, you can start sending your SMS message, and for whatever reason, due to network disruption or whatever reason, SMS fails, then you're automatically switched to OTT message. So you will never be able to, you will always be able to send your messages to your users without failure. And hybrid messaging is available in Rakuten Cpaas. A2P and P2A SMS. A2P stands for application to person. P2A stands for person to application. So A2P SMS, that's the Google message SMS you just received like 3 minutes ago, right? So application here is the enterprise, and person is you as an end user. And sometimes you'll find yourself having to reply to that SMS message because it's a marketing, maybe because it's a survey, right? In that case, that's P2A, person to application. And both A2P and P2A are available in Rakuten Cpaas. Two-factor authentication and Confirm API. You don't actually have to read all these busy slides. This looks complex, but I can give you a very simple explanation. So starting from two-factor authentication, basically, you as an enterprise, once you become our client, right, we'll give you the access to the Cpaas platform, right? And you as the client, you want to make sure that only authorized personnel have the access to this platform, right? So it's just that, right? You're going through a two-factor authentication to make sure that it's secure. Confirm API. Enterprises out there in the market, they want and they need to use Cpaas platform in the first place because they need to send out one-time passcode to their users. But not all of them have their own one-time passcode generator. So that's why we are providing a built-in one-time passcode generator from our Cpaas platform. That is what the Confirm API is all about. Why you, as the enterprise, have to use Rakuten Cpaas, not anything else, right? Starting from the top left corner, we provide high delivery rate. This is an official session, and I'm doing this from my company's booth. So I'm not supposed to say we provide the highest. I'm not supposed to say any superlative, but you know what I mean. We provide very high delivery rate, and also it goes the same for the price. I'm not supposed to say we're providing the best price, but you know what I mean, right? We provide very competitive price. And third, we are Rakuten, and I'm sure if you ever have traveled to Japan, Rakuten is one of the most loved and trusted brands in Japan. For example, Rakuten points. If you go to Tokyo, if you go to a convenience store, department store, restaurants, anywhere you go, you find this Rakuten points tag. You can redeem and you can collect Rakuten points everywhere. All Japanese people know Rakuten. They love Rakuten, right? And I remember I saw a friend. I have a friend, Japanese friend. He showed me one time his Rakuten points. He showed me 200,000 Rakuten points, which is like 2,000 USD. Like you can use it as just like cash. So that's how much Japanese people love Rakuten. And because we provide the Cpaas platform with Rakuten brand, we do with responsibility, right? That's why we provide carrier grade quality, and we also are omni-channel messaging platform. High delivery rate. We are directly interconnected to Japanese all 4 MNOs, not only Rakuten Booth. Very low latency and very easy and quick integration. Competitive price. Again, I'm not supposed to say best price, but we're providing very good price. No initial cost, no monthly fee. Again, we're providing the service with Rakuten brand. So, you can trust our quality. Moving on to the second product, Rakuten Drive. It's a cloud storage service. We call it easy file management that will boost your productivity. Have you ever found it easy managing your millions of files at work? Probably not, right? According to a recent study, half of the business cloud users said they're having difficulty sending and sharing files even with colleagues in the same company and, of course, with outside partners. And close to 60% of the respondents said they're having trouble downloading especially large files. But if you think about it, all we need is quick and simple file sharing, easy collaboration, and security and monitoring. These are all we want. Yeah, so let me introduce Rakuten Drive. It's a cloud storage service that was developed and provided by Rakuten. From Rakuten Drive, you can enjoy 3 things: transfer, cloud, and collaboration. Starting from transfer, we provide unlimited file size transfer, and we provide unlimited number of file transfer. Rakuten Drive is so loved by these business professionals, especially designers, car manufacturers, and photographers and videographers, because they handle a lot of large files. One time I met a a car manufacturer client. And he showed me this just one single design file, and it was 60 gigabyte, just one file, which is huge. There are many cloud storage services out there, but it is very rare to find a cloud storage that support unlimited file transfer. Moving on to cloud, you can create unlimited accounts within the cloud storage space you specify or you want. For example, you are managing your team, right? And you want 50 terabytes of cloud storage. I'm just taking a very extreme example, right? You need 50 terabytes, but you somehow need 10,000 accounts. Let's say you can do that from Rakuten Drive, but it is very difficult to do that from other cloud services. Moving on to collaboration, real-time Microsoft Office document edit and share. You can definitely upload your MS documents and you can share with your colleagues and you can make real-time edits. You'll be provided with Team Drive, and also if you are the manager or the executive at your in your team or in your company, you will be able to monitor your team's activities. For example, who uploaded what file to which folder when, who deleted what file when, from which folder. All these kind of monitoring will be available because you will be provided with admin console. Okay, lastly, we're moving to SendAnywhere. It's a large file transfer service. We call it excellence in file sharing. Before you read all these texts and images, I wanted to share with you one thing. You know, just ordinary internet users like you and me, you know, we are pretty lazy. We don't want to sign up. We don't want to log in. You know, I don't know about cloud storage. I don't want to create any link. This is all complex. I just need to send this large file to my friend. Just let me do it. If you are that person, SendAnywhere is the perfect place, perfect product. Because you can, from SendAnywhere, you can send unlimited amount of files, unlimited size and number of files to any device from any OS, from web to app, and it doesn't really matter where you are. You can just make it done. But SendAnywhere is also there to support business users, especially if you are a MS Outlook user, right? You know, we use MS Outlook at work all the time. If you want to attach files from MS Outlook, if the file is over 33 megabytes, you won't be able to attach it. You have to go to OneDrive first, upload it, create a link, copy the link, paste the link, and then, only then, you'll be able to send the attachment. But with SendAnywhere email add-on, you can just Google it, and you can just download it. And with SendAnywhere email add-on, you can send large files, 10, 20, 30 gigabytes of files within our MS Outlook UI. You don't have to leave. You can just do it. And then you can also set expiration date. You can set download limit, and you can add password. This will really boost your productivity at work. So to summarize, we have talked about Rakuten Cpaas, which is a communication platform, Rakuten Drive, a cloud storage service, and SendAnywhere, large file transfer service. These products will help you streamline your communications and data management effortlessly. To empower your digital world with Rakuten Symphony's comprehensive Internet Services Suite. Thank you very much.